How to live in TikTok gaming mobile. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So simply launch your TikTok, then tap on the plus icon. Then if you have the access to go live, you will see this live option over here, but since I do not have the access because I do not have the minimum followers required for live feature to appear. If you have the live feature, simply tap on it and then you can simply choose for gaming and give a title, then access screen recording to live for live in TikTok, then select the game you are going to stream, and yeah, you can just start it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.